SMGR intro. Welcome. In this video, we will walk through the complete SMGR testing procedure as per workshop standards and quality control requirements. Section 1. Setup and Safety. Before starting the SMGR testing, ensure that the overhauled SMGR is properly fixed on the SMGR stand all electrical connection through interlock number 1 and 2 full notch, 7 and 8 half notch, 41 and 42. 0. Interlock 61 and 62, 0 to 31 progression, 83 and 84 31 2 regression interlock connection to be ensured connected correctly, and pneumatic connections must be correctly connected and the required air supply should be provided. Ensure pressure of outlet is 3.5 kilograms per centimeter square available in PRV gauge. Confirm that the test bench is ready for operation and all safety precautions are followed. Section to pick up and drop out voltage test. Press PU do mode push button. PU do mode indication will be on. Press start test push button. The unit first brings SMGR to 0 notch by applying voltage to EV2 regression coil. After this, the test unit will apply voltage to EV1 progression coil and slowly increase the voltage. When the SMGR notching operation starts, the voltage applied to the EV1 progression coil. At that moment, IS pickup voltage and it IS displayed on pickup voltage display. After this, the test unit will start reducing the voltage applied to the EV1 progression coil. The voltage at which notching operation stops IS dropout voltage. This dropout voltage IS displayed by the unit. The SMGR IS notch UP to notch 32 by applying voltage to EV1 progression coil, and the procedure of measuring pickup and dropout voltage IS repeated by applying voltage to EV2 regression coil. Section 3. Auto continuous mode. Press auto continuous push button. Auto continuous mode indication will be on. Press start test push button. Unit will turn on EV1 progression coil and measure and display time taken for progression to notch 32. After that, the unit will turn on coil EV2 regression coil and measure and display time taken for regression to notch 0. This continuous progression and regression measurement cycle will continue till reset push button IS pressed. Section 4. Auto notch by notch NBN mode. Press notch by notch push button. Notch by notch mode indication will be on. Press start test push button. Unit will operate the SMGR in notch by notch mode by turning on off EV1 progression coil. After progression to next notch, the time taken for progression IS displayed on progression time display. This operation IS continued till notch 32 IS reached. After that, the unit will display regression time by turning on or off EV2 regression coil. This regression notching will continue till notch 0 IS reached and ASMGRO interlock IS closed. This progression and regression cycle will continue till reset push button IS pressed. Section 5. MP mode. Press MP mode push button. MP mode indication will be on. Press start test push button. When MP plus command is given through MP, the unit will switch on or off EV1 progression coil to notch up the SMGR. When MP command I is given through MP, the unit will switch on or off EV2 regression coil to notch down the SMGR. Section 6. Endurance testing. Conduct endurance testing by running the SMGR through 100 step-by-step operations. Ensure there is no stuck-up condition or abnormal behavior. Only after confirming smooth and satisfactory performance, clear the SMGR for locomotive loading. Save the final test report with all timing data, locomotive number, and test date.
Section 7. Testing of SMGR through PC. Enter loco number and SMGR serial number and click test command button. If there is communication between SMGR test bench and PC, then PC will give test command to the test bench and test command given. Message will appear in message box. Test SMGR test bench will now start testing of SMGR as per parameters stored in the test unit. Section 8. Downloading of test data. Click download command button to download test data of the last test conducted. The SMGR test bench through PCIUF. The communication between PC and the test bench fails, then data read error message will appear in the message box. If communication is successful, then data from the test bench is downloaded in the PC and shown on the screen as new record. Thank you.